the sea. Searching over the valleys and over the hills, I stole the bird to sing a song long from its little heart. When the bird flies too low to kiss the ground hard, valley stones, the echoes of our voice. We'll bring the smell, birds falling. Long way through all the skies and through the clouds. Rain's hard, moist our wind reaches birds down. River highs, waves in the dark, we reach the brighter dawn. In the end, the sun comes out, it brings the days past. Valley stones, the echoes of our voice. The wind bring the smell, birds falling. So fly, find your home, a secret that she holds. The winds of our voice echoing. Secret